Well, good morning. We're gonna head out to the car show out there in Corona de Tucson. It's a little fundraiser to help out the local scout troop there. They're doing a car wash and a breakfast thing, but they're also doing a car show. I'm invited to attend, so got this washed up, detailed, and we'll go check it out. They've done breakfast and stuff before, but never done a car show. So this is actually, I would deem a success. They got over 50 cars here for the first time. But pretty good show. If you're near the area, they're here till about 11.
This one works. What record that man?
All right, so we're here at the kind of wrapping up the car show, and this is
Brad Adams.
And you're the scoutmaster, correct?
I am the assistant scoutmaster of Troop 770 here in Vail, Arizona.
Okay.
And we're chartered by American Legion Post 109 here.
This is their facility, the Legion Post. How long have you been doing the breakfast fundraiser thing?
Well, we've been doing breakfasts for about 5 years. We also have dinners.
Okay.
And sell Christmas trees.
And this year was the first car show.
This is our first car show.
And what do you think?
Wow, it was over the top successful. This guy Tom Cotton over here, right there. That's Tom. Wave, Tom. Tom and I put this together, and amazing success.
Yeah, I counted at one point over 50 cars, so I would deem this a huge success for the first time.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. We're very happy, aren't we, Tom? Yes.
And how was the breakfast?
The breakfast, we got Joe Turner in the kitchen just killing it. He's our chef, and we have a brats dinner tonight, and Joe was just overwhelmed, but he was making it happen, doing a fantastic job in the kitchen.
Good job. It's great to be here. I hope your troop continues to grow and succeed.
We will, and we are lucky to have Post 109 support us, and all the amazing adults that we have in our troop. We have 12 assistant scoutmasters.
Yeah, it takes a lot to organize a troop like that. So this is his Willis. Why don't you give us a little bit of a post history on this?
Sure. It's originally a Montana Jeep. I am the third owner. I bought it from a farmer in 2004 when I deployed to Iraq. I gave my buddy $1,200, and he found it, and I came back from Iraq, and we restored it together, changed a few things, and ended up painting it OD. And I enjoy driving it. I live about 6 miles away, and I love having the windshield down, bugs in the face. It's awesome.
That's way cool. And tell us about the number here.
This number here is my father's Army service number.
That's cool.
And,
When did he serve?
He served 1951 and 1953, just at the end of Korea.
That's
so,
awesome.
Yes.
Well, thank you for your service, you guys. This is a
Right.
really cool Jeep.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Top speed, 40 miles an hour, downhill with the wind.
Back then it was probably fast enough. Just got back from the car show. That was a great turnout, considering that was their first car show portion of their fundraiser. They had over 50 cars there. But great to meet people. Stefan and Walter, you guys are awesome for helping out the local troop there. Hope you all enjoy. Check out my channel for the build series on this crazy car. Check out the ride-alongs and some of the other videos we've done. Love to see your comments, so keep them coming. Until then, keep rocking.